It's been an extended election period in Kenya. 3 weeks after Kenyans went to the polls, the nation is still in limbo. The Electoral Commission announced President Uhuru had won, but that was put on hold when rival Raila Odinga filed a petition. These 7 Supreme Court judges now hold the key to the outcome.
What the Supreme Court decides is final. And so beyond this, any other measures, legal or constitutional, would be beyond the avenue of the courts.
In a country where poll losers seldom concede gracefully and where a deep distrust for state institutions is rife, Odinga first said he was not going to court. 3 days later, he had changed his mind and decided to contest the results in the country's highest court. He also urged his supporters to protest and stay away from work, a call largely ignored. In court, Raila's lawyers argued that the Electoral Commission servers were hacked and the results a fraud. They argued that some of the presidential results were from non-existent polling stations and that these kind of irregularities rendered the presidential election fatally flawed. President Uhuru's lawyers call those allegations pure fiction. The Supreme Court's ruling on Friday will either uphold President Uhuru Kenyatta's victory or annul the presidential election altogether, giving the electoral body 60 days to organize a fresh vote. The reaction of the losing party here, as at the ballot, will be crucial to Kenya's stability. Uncertainty over the election results has had a huge impact on the economy.
What happens is everybody plays a defensive game, people don't stock their shops, you see an economic slowdown happen right in front of your eyes. And we saw that happen ahead of the election, and then during that period we saw a further slowdown. People weren't coming to work, the roads were empty. It's as if the whole country had stayed indoors.
There's a certain amount of nervousness here as Kenyans anxiously wait for the court's ruling. The judges have until the end of Friday to give a verdict. Whatever they decide, there are bound to be people who are not happy. Mohammed, Adow, Jazeera, Nairobi, Kenya.